In the previous video, we got an error saying destination unreachable in the Wireshark because we are trying to access the DNS server which is not even set up. Now in this video, we are going to set up a DNS server locally on the server machine. In the client machine, type this command sudo nano slash etc slash resolve.conf. Now here, remove everything whatever is there. In the client side, remove everything. Type name server and type the IP address of the server machine. If you don't know, go to the server machine and type ifconfig. It's 10.0.2.15. Mine 10.0.2.15. Now press Ctrl X, Y, it enter. Now after this, uh, go to the client server side. We have to install a bind 9. First, we will update the resources. Sudo apt hyphen get install, not install, updated. Update. I already updated it. Let it update again. Now install type sudo apt hyphen get install bind 9. I already installed it. Now we have to make some changes to the files. Type sudo nano slash etc slash bind slash name.conf.options. Enter. Here you need to type this dump hyphen file space double quote slash var slash cache slash dump bind slash dump.db and semicolon. After that, press Ctrl X and press Y and hit enter. After making that, we need to restart the bind server. To restart it, type sudo service bind 9 restart. After restarting your bind server, we are going to the client machine. Now we'll open Wireshark, sudo Wireshark, open the another terminal and type ping www.flipkart.com. Without don't hit enter, click on any in the Wireshark and click start capture. Go to terminal, hit enter now. Wait until some time. Press Ctrl C after some time and type DNS in this DNS. Enter. Now click on the find the DNS query which says a and www.flipkart.com. A means it's a IPv4. 4 A's means IPv6. We are interested in IPv4. Click on the IPv4 packet like www.flipkart.com with A and expand domain name system and expand queries and expand flipkart.com. You have to take this screenshot. After taking this, we need to find the response. Here it is. This 4A's is a IPv6. Click on this and if you did not hear, if you sorry, if you type only flipkart.com without www dot, you are not going to get this cname. So type the www.flipkart.com full name. Here we'll close this query and open answers after clicking the response. Okay, and here is cname. Open that and take the screenshot. Expand this also. take this screenshot, and we have finished with this. We have successfully created a local DNS server. Now we are going to the server machine, and we will see if this the cache has been created or not. For that, we are going to type this command sudo nano no, we'll just see cat slash var slash cache slash bind slash dump.db. Enter. Something opened. Let it be. Now we should have used a grep command. After this command, use this pipe symbol. It's below the backspace, and type grep, and in double quote type www.flipkart.com. Close the double quotes. Hit enter. Okay. There is an error, I think. Flipkart. Okay, sorry. We haven't dump the cache at all. We have to dump sudo rndc dump db space hyphen cache. Enter. Now use this command. You can see the flipkart.com has been cached in the dump.db file. We are going to open the files. We'll see in the gedit. Go to other locations, computers, var cache, and bind, and dump.db. Press Ctrl F. Flipkart. Okay. Here we can see in the answer section www.flipkart.com with the CNAME and flipkart.com. Now to flush this, we have to use this flush command. This rndc command will create a cache file and store it here in dump.db. Now we are going to flush it with sudo rndc flush. Now that's all for this video. I think, yeah, I will try to make the video of zone creation. I am getting so many errors. If I found making that, I will upload that video too. Thanks for watching.